Alright, so here I am. I've got the pit barrel cooker. I think I got the select package and I upgraded a little bit more with the 2 turkey hangers in the value pack as well as the skewers. So here I'm going to do an unboxing. You may have seen my buyer's guide to barrel cookers, drum smokers. You may wonder why I chose the pit barrel cooker. Well, I feel like it's going to travel better, and I really love the rebar. I think that it's a superior hanging system to any of the other ones. So let's dig into this thing. So here on the top, they gave me this beef and game pit rub and the all-purpose rub. I put those to the side. And then this looks like a standard hook tool there. The original, I guess this is a sticker. Congratulations on your purchase. They give their number. There's their family. Very good looking family too. This looks like it's a guide, so I'll definitely be reading some of that. Some assembly for the handle on the top there. And, assembly instructions. Alright, looks like my receipt. Wow. Alright, so there's the lid. This thing is a little bit bigger than I even thought it would be. And it looks like, I think these are the 8 hooks in here. And so this appears to be the handle for the top of the lid. Comes with a little screwdriver. Alright. Wow, and a little wrench. And here's a little bag for the screws. And these appear to be the hooks. A lot of zip ties in here to keep everything together. Which I'm sure is very good for the shipping. So here is the base. It's pretty sturdy. Alright, and here we have the standard grate. And below that, here's the hinge grate. Let's cut these off. Alright, so here's the hinge. You can pull that open like that. Hang it like this. Let some of the meat hang down that way. This appears to be the cover to put over the PVC. Go over there. Alright. And here we have the turkey hanger. I believe this is, turkey hanger here. Okay, and here are the skewers. Pit grips there for touching those hot handles. And there's the second turkey hanger. I got the two. Alright. Let's see. Here is their chimney. It's a little bit smaller, or shorter anyway, than my other chimney. So I'll have to look at the difference between that. Alright, there's the charcoal grate. It's got a little bit of heft to it. And there it is. And lastly, here at the bottom is the ashtray there. Got the charcoal basket there. Now we're looking at the inside of the barrel. Not sure what that is down there. Hopefully it's nothing. I might ask the company what that is. Got the charcoal basket down there. And I've got the grate, and then lastly the rebar there. And I put together the lid from the instructions. The C has to turn in like that towards the middle. I think I got that on right. I think it just sits there like that. There we are. We're gonna have to see how it cooks. And thank you for joining me on this unboxing video.